A sales bot can turn your visitors into customers. It's really effective in communicating and motivating them to buy your products. Meet Sparko. It's not just a sales bot that helps you with sales. It communicates with you and your customers and makes them trust that you are honest and trustworthy. The same as your best friend does. Sparko will be with you on your ups and downs. It will cheer you up, support you, and even dedicate its life to you. Be it a sales conversation or just a normal friend-to-friend chat, Sparko will always be there for you. When you speak, it's all ears. When you want it to speak, it will even tell you jokes and riddles. It supports every device with internet access, and you can use Sparko on your social media, websites, upsells, articles, videos, and emails too. All you need to do is chat with Sparko, get it running, and have a good time together. Go to sparko.me, get your Sparko today.